My name is Justice Camillus Mensah. I'm a Ghanaian. I work for an NGO based in Ghana called Hen Mpoano, which literally means our coast. We believe in Hen Mpoano that conservation without livelihood is a mere conversation. The data we provide is supposed to influence action. Through the use of Forest Watcher, we were able to identify a degraded area which was inside a GSBA in the area we are working. And that triggered a series of discussions at the local and at the regional level, which eventually resulted in halting that particular activity. Being able to mobilize community members to participatorily protect the forest resources with government institutions. Community-led stewardship is very important and actually one of the tenets of the Forestry Commission of Ghana, which looks at how participatorily they will work with the communities to protect the forest reserves. But the work we are doing has actually activated this particular approach where community members have been trained to use Global Forest Watch data and tools together with other tools to collect data on a regular basis just to monitor and identify where illegal activities are happening and to communicate that to the necessary agencies for the enforcement actions to be taken. What we've done on this project is first to educate the people, especially the people in the landscape using different media, and then to let them understand why they need to protect the forest. And there should be some more collaboration at the national level. What we are doing with these tools is that once we are planting, we are also reinforcing the conservation of the area by using the community members to monitor what is happening in the landscape with Global Forest Watch. There is that need to protect what they are restoring, and that has been a very important connection between the restoration effort and the monitoring process. Due to the presence of the community monitoring teams who were trained to use the Global Forest Watch tools, and as well as the communication that we had done, forest degradation or illegal logging and poaching had gone down drastically at about 46 or so %, and then we had seen more biodiversity or wildlife in the area. The saying goes, when the last tree dies, the last man dies. And being a geospatial person, I can tell the change over the landscape for the past few decades. It's important that we preserve the remaining stands of forest so that humanity will also be maintained on the landscape.